Spacious one-level home in 55 plus James Street. Estates with patio/yard facing east for plenty of sunlight. Light, open floor plan with high ceilings and opens to private patio and garden space. Primary suite with full bath and 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath. Kitchen is open to living areas and offers plenty of counter space, pantry and storage. All floor surfaces are vinyl or laminate for ease of maintenance. All appliances, including washer and dryer, are included. Attached carport and prime location next to greenspace. Garden/storage shed. There is a one-time $34,000 fee for a share certificate that is refundable when selling, and a one-time $5,000 fee to HOA upon purchase which is not refundable.